thunderstorm warning for southeastern Essex County in northern New York, southern Addison County in central Vermont, Rutland County in southern Vermont, until 5 p.m. At 3:54 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These severe storms extended from Farrow Mountain to Glens Falls and were moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Paradox, Ticonderoga, Shore, Orwell, Cornwall, Wells, Ripton, East Middlebury, Wallingford, South Wallingford. Still, this line of severe thunderstorms is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report to weather.gov/Burlington. Widespread wind damage is expected with this line of severe thunderstorms. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Saturday evening for northern New York and Vermont.